This is the story of how Pania makes a friend. Not too hot and not too cold. It's a great day to be at the beach. The perfect day for kite flying. If only Pania could get her kite to stay in the air. Maybe Pania should find someone to help her launch her kite.
Nina, can you help me fly my kite?
Maybe a little bit later, darling. Nanny's tired. Why don't you sit down and have a snack and I can tell you a story?
Okay.
Okay. Did you know that the first woman was created from Earth?
Earth?
Yes. And her name was Kete Kōrero.
Pania's nana tells her the story of the creation of the very first woman. Tāne Matua and his older brothers had just finished creating the moon and the stars. They had created the sun, the plants and the trees, the animals and the insects. The whānau met.
How shall we create children?
They wondered.
We must create a female. Yes, she will grow life.
Agreed the men. Tāne stood up and declared,
I will be her partner. Where shall I find her?
Go to Kurawaka. From the red earth of Papatūnuku, you shall create a female to be your partner.
Tāne Matua went to Kurawaka and began to form a woman. He began with the head and then the body. He added arms and then legs. Once complete, Tāne Matua presses noses with his creation, the very first hongi. He takes a long breath inward and a long breath outward. The breath of life. Te hei Māori ora. The first woman is created. A partner for Tāne, made from the red earth. Her name is Hineahuone.
The girl created from the...
Earth.
Yes, that's right.
Aha! Can I use these?
Yes, moko.
Quickly, Pania set to work. The paper plate, a head, seaweed for the hair, a giant rock for the nose, seashells for eyes, and with some wool, she tied together a body from sticks.
Te hei Māori ora. Hello.
Hi there.
Can you help me fly my kite?
Yeah.
Cool, let's go. Whoa. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
Hey, you flew your kite all by yourself.
From sticks and wool, shells, a stone, and a little imagination, Pania crafted a new friend. Well done, Pania.